Hi, welcome to episode 5 of my Color Smart series. In this video, we will be all about Harlequin Green. Mixing 58.85 points of cyan and 100 points of yellow with the saturation and brightness set to 100. The first recorded use of the term harlequin to describe a color was in the 18th century. It was named after the colorful costumes worn by the character Harlequin in traditional Italian commedia dell'arte theatre. Harlequin green is sometimes referred to as acid green or fluorescent green due to its bright, almost glowing appearance. The color first gained popularity in the 1960s and 70s as part of the psychedelic movement. It was often used in fashion, graphic design, and interior design to create bold, eye-catching looks. In recent years, Harlequin green has made a comeback in fashion and design. Harlequin green has also been used in branding and marketing, particularly for companies that want to convey a sense of youthfulness, energy, and innovation. In color psychology, Harlequin green is associated with feelings of joy, happiness, and excitement. It is believed to promote a sense of optimism and positivity, making it a popular choice for branding and marketing campaigns. It is often used in interior design to create a lively and invigorating atmosphere in a room. The vibrant and refreshing quality of Harlequin green can energize and rejuvenate individuals. It can provide a sense of renewal and revitalization, boosting mood and motivation. Harlequin green has been used in the technology industry to promote innovative and cutting-edge products. Many car manufacturers have used Harlequin green in their marketing campaigns to promote their latest models. Color is often associated with speed, power, and innovation, making it a perfect fit for high-performance products or services. Harlequin green looks crisp and fresh when paired with white. This combination creates a classic and timeless look that is perfect for any occasion. Using darker shades with Harlequin green gives a sophisticated and energetic sporty feel, perfect for high-performance products or services. Adding other bright colors to Harlequin green communicates fun or psychedelic and would attract young, hip teenage audience. But when it comes to text, please try to stay away from other bright colors, even though it may draw attention. Never use yellow text on Harlequin green or Harlequin green text on yellow. That also goes for a light or bright blue. For accessibility reasons, always make sure your text to background contrast is greater than or equal to 4.5 to 1. This is such a fun color to work with, but should always be used with caution. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe below. If you always want to get that text to background ratio right, you can find the link below. Next color I will be talking about is Madder Red. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.